Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to go back and do another Dominaria United draft box, and I'm going to tell you why right now. So I opened one of these on the channel not too long ago, and I opened the box and I'm like, this is going to suck. Like, it's Dominaria, it's had its time, it's over with, and there's only a handful of cards you can get in this set to really make it like worth anything. And I pulled like every single one of them, right? And if you didn't see the video, I'll put it right over here for you. If you didn't see the video, it was insane, right? I pulled the Showcase Shieldred, I pulled Liliana, Sarah Paragon. I pulled everything, like all the good cards out of that. So I have another box, obviously. And I'm like, you know what? The chances are it's not going to be anywhere near as good as that box. But you know what? We're going to do it anyway. So let's open up our box topper. Let's see if we can set the mood of this video. Well, it's a crap card, but on our last video, it's the same one that we got. So maybe that's our good luck charm. Granted, I think I've opened like 10 or 12 boxes of this set, and I think I got that in like every single one, so, it wasn't good luck then. But we're going to give it a shot, and let's see what we can do. So again, we're looking for Shieldred, we're looking for Liliana, we're looking for, wouldn't mind me another Sarah Paragon. Leyline Binding would be great. A ton of cards in here that I would love to have. Tons of cards that I do have that I would love more of. Either way, we're going to look for them. We got the Sphinx. If this were in another set, I'd be happy to have this card. But it's using up one of our mythic spots, and I don't like that. All right. What's funny is I think out of that whole pack, I think the most expensive card was actually the Sand Warrior token. Sad as that might be. All right, we have a Carplusian Forest for the Painland of the set. Painlands took a dump, financially speaking. I actually just kept like all of them. Like I don't think I've sold any of them just because like the Painlands, they're just not moving. Like if somebody's buying them, they're buying them for like $1. So I'd rather just hold on to them. In all honesty, I'll hold on to them, and maybe somewhere down the line they're going to be, I'm not going to say sought after, but maybe somebody will want them. But I doubt it. And we got a Braids for our next rare. I'm going to follow it up with an Ivy for our second rare of the pack. And a Borderless Land. Alright. Time to do some work here, box. And we have Academy Lore Master for the card that we don't want. Is this another one like that? Same thing. Man, this box, like these draft boxes just smell like funky, like they've been in a fire. Right? Anybody who's opened Time Spiral Remastered, like, and they smelled how funky those cards were, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That's where we're at. Defiler of Vigor, it's the best Defiler of them all. Don't remember what the price of it is, but definitely more than the price of that pack. And we got Temporal Firestorm for our next rare. That's weird. So that one was already opened. I call hacks, maybe? Oh, snap. We got some error cards. Oh, yeah. All right, well, what got errored? I just clipped it, the top of a couple of them. Well, nice. So this is actually like one of my first like clipped cards on the top, so that's nice. I'll put those off to the side. And if you didn't know, I actually collect. I collect error cards, so those are going to be a nice addition to put into the collection. Let's take a look at those one more time. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Very nice. The only thing that would have been better is if that was an error on like a crimping on a rare or like a mythic. like a good mythic, like a Shieldred, like I'd have been pissed. But at the same time, like, you know, the error community, like, they just eat that up. So, a couple of comments. I don't think anybody's really going to go nuts for it, but... Oh, damn! Man, am I glad I opened this box. Alright, Liliana the Veil. Alright, wow, we're 2 for 2, right? Because that last box also had a Lily, but here's the thing. That Lily that I opened in the last one is actually the version of the Lily I've been looking for, right? So, I've never opened a pack, like a pack regular version of Liliana until that last one. And I've opened the borderless foil version, but I've never opened the pack version. So that was really nice. Like that was like the one I was looking for. So that's nice to hit. Don't get me wrong. I mean, this Lily's nice, but I almost argue that pack version, the regular non-foil or borderless non-foil, I'd argue that that's actually one of the more rare of the two, because you just don't see them very often. So these DMU boxes they're pumping out some hits, huh? All right, we got Urza. And these things are definitely doing some work. Now, I think this is my last Dominaria box. I don't know that I'll pick up any more. This might be one of those things where maybe I'll just grab it on, I think it's on a clearance or a discount or something, like an Amazon Fire Day, however they are. I might do something like that, but I'm not going to buy these at MSRP, that's for sure. All right. So we're about halfway through the second stack. 4 mythic box. Liliana is our top hit of the box so far. We have the Shadow Rite Priest. And a double land pack. Man, I'm like hyped. Like, so we can go for another pack of those error cards, right? See some more Crimped on here. Oh, Relic of Legends is actually a pretty decent uncommon. Alright, Karn Silex. For our disappointing mythic of the box. Got the Anointed Peacekeeper. Alright, we're kind of slowing down. I don't think we ever really started, but kind of slowing down. Alright, we got Maria. Yeah, these cards are like, they're super shifted up. So I feel like that's how that one got crimped. Those are all just sitting so high up. I'll keep my eye out for those, just in case. Alright, we got Quirion Beastcaller. I feel like if you get one miscut or a misprint or something in a box, like there's bound to be others. All right, we're looking pretty good. All right, temporary lockdown. Phoenix Chick is actually doing pretty good too. Any more that are like that? Oh, they're all good. Yeah, for a minute when I was looking at that pack open up, I was like, oh man, like I bet you somebody got in here. I'm like, you know, repacked there, like did a good card, but seeing that it was an error card and seeing like what I got pulled out of it afterwards, yeah, this is definitely a legit box. Plaza Heroes for another great rare. All right, last couple packs of the box, and this has just been a roller coaster so far. We got some error cards, we got some good cards, and we've got some horrible cards. All right, what do we got? Aether Channeler. Drag to the bottom. And we have a showcase non-foil squee. Well, losing faith. I think the 5 Mythic is probably the best we're going to get. We'll probably get something like Karn Living Legacy. And goddamn, if I didn't just call that something disappointing like that, yeah. Yeah. I read the box. It had to be. There had to be something disappointing, considering what we've been through so far. I feel like you get the one gimme, and then you get the rest of them are just going to be trash. So, Karn Living Legacy for our next disappointing Mythic. And we have a Shivan Reef. And we're down to our last 4 packs. We have the Danitha. And tons of borderless lands. 3 packs to go. Can we get a shoulder in here? Let's go. Leaf Crown Visionary. I'll take it. And we got the Haughty Djinn. I'm going to follow it up with an Airtie Resurrected. And last pack of the box, is it going to hold a Sarah Paragon, a Shivan Devastator, or the Shield? It has the Elder War. All right. And that's the box. So, Liliana, borderless, non-foil. 2 crimped error cards. Tell me in the comments down below what you guys think of this box. Leave a like if you liked it. Dislike if you disliked it. It's okay. Subscribe if you're not already. There's a button down below for that. And I'll catch you guys all on the next video.